Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. In today's video I will be going over the Electroneum wallet for iOS. Earlier this week Electroneum tweeted that their iOS app has been approved by Apple and they're looking for beta testers for the week. And they had a form over here where you could apply, and I did apply and I got accepted to be one of the beta testers. Yesterday I got an invite to beta test their iOS app, and I did download it and got it installed, and I'll be going over it in just a bit. Now if you're still interested in beta testing the app, they are looking for a second tier of beta testers. So if you are interested, I'll put links in the description below. Okay, now on to the app. Here I am logging into my Electroneum wallet, and there you go. This is their main page where you can see, or main window. You can see your balance. Looks like it's updating to the blockchain. Then we go to value, and you can see that it gives you the option of what's the current value to the USD, and you can convert. So in here I'm going to be converting $50 and see how much will be in Electroneum at the current value. And as you can see, there's multiple currencies. Next, you can see the list of exchanges, and if you click to visit exchange, it will take you to, it will open a web browser, take you to that exchange's website, and that's pretty much it for that part. And then we'll go back to the app, and you can go to, let's see over here, back to the wallet. You have the pay, receive. So pay, if you click the scan wallet QR code, pulls up your camera. I don't have a wallet to scan. I'm going to go cancel, and then if you go back, receive, shows your Electroneum address, and then if you tap on the image, it makes a bigger one so it's easier to scan. Plus you can also import offline wallet by scanning a QR code, and I believe also the private key, which should import the funds into there, so into this wallet. And your settings, as you can see, there's that referral program. That's what probably majority of the spam I get on my Electroneum videos is folks spamming with their codes, referral codes. And that's pretty much it with the wallet. Over here, there's these notifications. I'm not sure why they have it in here. I don't know if it's just for troubleshooting purposes because this is a beta, but it doesn't seem like useful information just for everyday use, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, this is a beta test. So here are my thoughts on the app itself, and basically just my personal opinion on what I feel about the app. One, the app in terms of usability is very simple, very easy to use, which is a positive. So I think for a person with little or no technical skills, they will have no problem using the app in its current form. Now that can change, of course, because it is a beta. What personally I'm disappointed in is it's really not a wallet in terms of that. Say for instance, like Jax, when you download the Jax wallet for Android or iOS, this is more of a wallet interface. So you're required to sign up or make an account on the Electroneum's website for their web wallet. So you're basically interfacing with that. If you already have a web wallet on the Electroneum's website, you're basically signing in to this web wallet. Now, it is convenient, but it is not in the spirit of decentralization, in my opinion, because you're not holding your own private keys. While you could, I guess, get them or send them out to a paper wallet, it's the whole point of their app for convenience is it's actually all being managed by Electroneum. Your web wallet is with them, the app interfaces with that, so you're not holding any of your private keys to use this particular interface. Now, granted, they do provide you with a command line wallet that you can download and use where you control all the keys, but I was kind of hoping that their mobile wallets will be a true crypto wallet in the terms of your keys are actually generated on the wallet, on the device, and you're holding the keys. This is just a wallet interface. So now this might be one of my personal gripes with Electroneum, is that it's been how many months now, and we still, while we do have the command line wallet, we still don't have a true graphical user interface wallet, a GUI wallet, or a true mobile wallet in terms that you hold the keys. So you just have a web app, and you have apps on iOS and I guess Google Play that interface with that web app. You do not have a true mobile cryptocurrency wallet. Anyway, that's just my thought. I do hope that one day they will have their own real wallet and not just an interface to their web wallet. Companies like Jax, they have their own iOS wallet where it's a real blockchain wallet, or Konami, same thing. And also in terms of having a GUI-based wallet for Windows or Mac, Electroneum is built on the Monero code base, which it uses the Kryptonite algorithm. Well, Monero now uses Kryptonite v7, but I'm pretty sure they could recompile the Monero wallets, or the older version of Monero wallet, since Electroneum moved back to Kryptonite algorithm, and basically have an actual GUI wallet for the desktop. With what they raised with their ICO, I might sound like a broken record, but one of my biggest gripes, and this is because I do hope the project succeeds, but one of my biggest gripes is that I don't think there's enough focus on the development with Electroneum. I do hold Electroneum, but I really wish that there was more done on the development side. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.